Welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane Williams and Paul Mason.
I'm here with Matthew from PlanIT. Welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
So we just stumbled across this launch that you've got going on today, the HxGN machine trainer, and we couldn't not talk about it. So thanks for coming on the show. Tell us a little bit about you guys and maybe a bit about what the trainer is.
PlanIT are a solution specialist in the manufacturing industry in Australia. So we've got 40 years experience. So this week at AMW we're launching the HxGN machine trainer. Mm-hmm. So it's a machine simulation trainer. So your giant CNCs and stuff like that, this simulates those. So it's about getting new users into using CNC, teaching people how to use them without being afraid of crashing a machine.
Yep.
So there's no outlay for stock, there's no downtime if you break a machine, there's no outlay for tools, there's no downtime if you break a tool or a fixture or the head of the machine. You can crash this 1,000 times and reset it.
Yeah. No cleanup, right?
Exactly. It demystifies machinery for people. It makes it more accessible. We've got a big sort of skill gap in Australia at the moment, and we're hoping that this product can help fill that. We can start training people and getting people into industry, into manufacturing, bringing manufacturing back to Australia.
Yeah, and it's really interesting you talk about any machinery. We're trying to bring in a new set of skilled workers, and the first thing I say is, "Oh, I don't want to break anything. I'm nervous." And we say it all the time,
exactly.
Right? And like I said, this is pretty exciting, where you can go, right, this is the sort of stuff that our kids just take inherently as this is how you learn.
Yeah.
Stick a headset on, do something, whatever that looks like.
Yeah.
Bringing that into an industrial setting where we can reduce, hazards and risk and wastage and a whole bunch of really good reasons to use it. If I'm out there thinking this sounds like a good idea, I'm guessing you have to simulate particular manufacturers' equipment. Like, how does that operate?
Yeah, so at the moment, it's got a certain amount of machinery associated with it, a certain amount of machines that you can design products for and design simulations for. So you have the choice of up to 3 controllers with this machine. Mm-hmm. So you can use Siemens, Heidenhain or Fanuc.
Yep.
Most machines come with the Fanuc and Siemens. Yep. You can have the top level one which comes with all 3 controllers. So then that's something that sets it apart from a CNC as well. If you have a CNC that you're training people on, it'll have 1 controller.
Yep.
So that's one language, whereas people can potentially learn 3 with this machine. It also takes a lot of, I guess, the safety side of things into account. So, people getting onto a machine for the first time, this is just a much safer way to do it.
Yeah.
But also, reskilling, people and getting them back into the workforce. This is going to be a really handy tool for that side of things as well.
Yeah, awesome. And so what's your ideal customer look like?
I guess our ideal customer is someone that has a need for this machine in terms of really wanting to upskill people within their company, or we're looking a lot into the educational space at the moment. That's sort of, I think, where we're hitting first.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
All right, mate. It's been awesome having you on the show. Thanks for spending some time with us.
Not a problem. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Cheers, mate.
Thanks for tuning in to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane and Paul, recorded on the traditional lands of the Bunurong and Wurundjeri people. For more information, jump on the manufacturingtech.au website. Remember to hit the follow button to join us again next time as we continue to explore the intersection of manufacturing and technology.